If you get an error that the current printer is unavailable, select another printer while trying to print your spreadsheet. So how can we work with this? So there's a very simple way. All you need to go is to the start menu and you can just type here regedit, regedit. That should open up this registry editor app in your PC. Just click on it. If it asks for any permissions, click on yes. And here this is the kind of a situation, or this is the kind of a window that you will get to see. Okay, so first of all, what you might want to do is go to file and click on export to create a backup of all of these documents that are available. Make sure that the export range is selected to all to get a backup of all of these things, not the selected branch only. Give it a good file name, select a easily accessible location, and just click on save, right? Otherwise, once you have created a backup, if there is any error, you can just go to file, go to import, and in that particular location only where you have saved the backup, and just click on import to create to make sure that the things go back to normal, right? So now once you have taken up the backup, what we can do is start working with our problem. So here what you want to do is go to this current user option. Here there are these bunch of options, so you might want to expand this software option by clicking on this drop down arrow. In the software, you have to go to this Microsoft and expand it. In Microsoft, you need to go down and search for this Windows NT option. Now whatever process I'm doing over here, the path is being changed over here, so you can refer to this path as well. Now in this Windows NT, you need to go to this Windows, and in this Windows you might want to right click on this window and go to this permissions option. Now whatever system you are using or whatever user you are logged in with, you need to select that particular user and make sure that both of these permissions are allowed, that is read and full control permissions. If any of those are not allowed, make sure to check that box, click on apply and click on OK. That would solve your problem. Otherwise, what you can do is add a new user. To add a new user, you can go to advanced, click on find now, and here you can just select for everyone over here and click on OK. Again, click on OK. Now make sure that everyone is selected. Click on full control and read. Now you can click on apply and OK. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.